Hello everyone, this is Pradeep Thapa. Today I'm gonna give a short presentation on the individual reflection of master's project Itech 7415. Our project overview: mobile application for the Lamunda restaurant. Client name Lamunda restaurant. Project started 26 to 2021 and in 18/6/2021. We are the team members of 4 people. Client name John Ozer, business name Lamuna Private Limited. I'd like to thank all the stakeholders for helping us to fulfill our final project. Dr. Belal Chaudhary, project lecture coordinator, Dr. Zakiola Khan, tutor, Dr. Rashid Hamadi, supervisor, client Zone Azar owner, and project team, all the project team members. A description of project. As Lamana restaurant is the famous Sydney-based restaurant for the Lebanese cuisine, it mainly focuses on the Lebanese cuisines and Lebanese food. It has got the 3 branches in Sydney. They are in Casula, Maryland, Waterhill Park. And recently, I get to know that they had a new branch in the Campsie. The main motto of our project is to develop the Android mobile applications for the Lamana restaurant, as they just got the dynamic web page where the customers can only view their food items. They cannot do anything else like booking the tables, like add to cart, order the food items, online delivery, uh, booking system. So our aim is to develop the mobile applications which will to by integrating the existing website of the company along with the using the Java and Agile methodology. The product is to give the under mobile applications for the Lamana students to achieve their goals and objectives by cutting down the cost, improving the productivity. In talking about the individual component, as we are the group members of 4 people, we have equally break down all our tasks in 4 members as per our skills and knowledge. During the starting of project, I have done various problem analyzing using the various tools like root cause analysis. For that, I have used fishbone diagram, and then for the project storyboard, I was able to make documentations for the project of mm, for for like scope of the project, making of the user stories along with the acceptance criteria, uh, milestones, project approaches, and many more. Along with that, developing the wireframe for the software, for the software development, and analyzing the data by using the different tools. That is, I have used Microsoft BI tools. Mainly, I was responsible for analyzing the problems of the project and finding out the proper solution where the real customers can have the real experience. For my final project, I have done the literature review on various articles. Some of them are I have just listed the 2 only: online table and menu booking system for restaurant. This article shows how the Android applications is important in our real life, as the Android application can give the series of services like and provides to the customers, like to book the table and menu without waiting with a long time through an Android applications. Next is user acceptance of mobile apps for the restaurant. It shows the percentage of people using the mobile apps not only to book the tables or view the food manual, but also to indicate the new restaurant 49%, to place an order for pickup delivery 37%, and then to find out the location 53%. uh, Before like when we meet up with the client and give the our proposed solutions to develop the mobile applications, it was necessary to the root cause analysis to identify the real problem, to identify the cruel problem the restaurant was having because of the old system, that is website. And so root cause analysis was needed, and discovering the root cause of the problem and to find out the appropriate solutions so that we can prevent from the problem recurring time to time, which saves times, money, and resources. For the root cause analysis, I have done the fishbone diagram. It shows the like loss of sales and overcrowded was because of the lack of performance and productivity from the management system. There was improper bookings, improper management of booking system, lack of informations of food and price in the website. uh, there was delay of the information, a frequent comment from the customer, as because of the overcrowded, customer didn't get services in time, and and also the waste of food, as the restaurant don't know how many people gonna come in the coming days. They don't have any proper booking system, so they usually there was the high chance of wasting the food. So like the proper solution was to develop the Android mobile applications where customers can view all the food items and order the food items. Along with that, the customers can book the table, so that the customers can manage the upcoming activities, uh, can manage all the table reservations and table layout, and then allocate all the food items and allocate all his human resources, so which can directly impact on the like profit of the organizations. For after having the root cause analysis, I have done the product design, so that what our product gonna be at the final outcome, and what are the strategy and what are the process we're gonna do through the product design. So first is to find out the opportunity and the problem, so we have done all it to the root cause analysis. And then the next step was to develop the process to fulfill the outcome is outcome. So first is I have done the strategy, like we are the team of 4 members, we get all the ideas from each members. So how we gonna develop the mobile application is like from through the brainstorming and then design framework. Then I did the analysis part, like identify the requirements of the client, define team tasks, each members got their own work to do, and prepare the product roadmap, backlog, and the user stories. After that, for the software engineering, and the user interface and user experience should be clean and effortless, so that customers can easily find out the what they want, like all the similar items should be allocated in the one place. And for the development process, we gone through the agile methodology, as all the I developed the front end, and the software student Sagar usually developed the back end part. And for the testing, we did the acceptance and the unit testing, so that the validates apps quality to the different testing criteria. This is the flow analysis. It shows the steps or process, the flow of informations in a system. It shows where and when does the process start and where the process end. So this is the flow chart for the customer. When the customer start the open app, he logged in through this Google and Gmail ID, and then view all the menu, choose the item, add to cart, and then confirm the order. Along with that, he can check the available tables, date and time as you want, so that all the tables can be booked within the coming 2 weeks only, not after that. And then maximum limit of people for booking is only 10, so the bookings cannot be done over the 10 people. And the gap analysis shows the comparisons of actual performance with the desired performance. Further, it explains whether the user stories are fulfilled or not. Log in through Gmail ID and as a guest. So customers can log in through the Gmail ID but cannot log in as a guest, as it is the Android application. So usually for the Android, Gmail ID is needed to download the applications and to uh, register the Android applications. As customers can view all the menu, customers can add to cart, customers can book the tables, all the user stories have been fulfilled. Whether the online payment system and the online delivery system has not been fulfilled, but the customer can do the can pay on the counter and can pick up their order food through the counter. uh, as the admin, I want to log in and log out, the admin panel has been fulfilled. Admin can add or remove the food items has been fulfilled. So the gap analysis shows the what was the final outcome, what and shows the gap, what we expected and what was the final outcome. And there were some user stories which were not fulfilled, like staff sign on option and in loyalty programs has not been fulfilled because of time limitation and limited manpower. And this figure shows the overall gap analysis when we started the project and the final outcome of the project. And the present like first present stage was to like restaurant got a dynamic web page, and our product is to give mobile application to the restaurant. There was the various gaps, like there was no any mobile application model for us, no allocated budget or specific time, lack of knowledge in the specific area, and there was no proper data structure and analysis of the market segmentations. So we did various initiatives and strategies to fill to overcome this gap, like divided the work on the equal basis, and then and develop the system design and the soft and to develop the software, estimate the time to execute the strategy and allocate the enough resources, develop the different wireframe, and then implement a process to hit the target, do review by time to time with our supervisor and client. And uh, so because of that, we are able to give the final product to the client, that is the Android mobile applications. All the strategies and initiatives are and the work breakdown shots are done by me. Data collection and dashboard, we haven't done any questionnaire or any interview for the data collection, as we get direct data from the cost from the client, as it shows the number of sales in a day, in a daytime, in a nighttime, and it about the dining and the takeaway. So the client can predict the future bookings and futures uh, and future food items which gonna be sell more, which gonna sell less, so he can optimize all his resources. Like you can see in the future, the night time 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. in dining, the hot chips going more than the rolls. So he can prepare more hot chips than the rolls. So he can I mean, allocate his resources and minimize his cost. Yeah. Also, the nighttime a takeaway is going more than the dining, so he can cut the shift of the people, so more focus on the kitchen than in the wait staff, so can minimize the employment cost also, which definitely gonna increase his profit. This is the poster which I made for the promotion of the mobile applications for the Launa restaurant. As you can see, the three different visualization of the mobile app, for like front page, front page, and then add to cart page and the booking tables. So this is the three features which we have given through our mobile applications, like view menu and place the order, easy order and pick up, payment at the counter, booking available, and TV services. Utilization of past knowledge, the past knowledge, like for the work bound structure, I have used my Microsoft Excel knowledge. For the data analysis part, I have used Microsoft BI, and the literature review which I have done in my past semester helped me a lot to do the master's project. And the main thing is I have idea about the identifying the problem and solving the using different models, analyzing the requirements from the past semester. It helps me to boost my self-esteem to accomplish the task lesson learned, uh, and dividing the tasks within the members, and then good team coordination can get the successful completion of the tasks. I get to know about the agile methodology. Before that, I don't know about the agile methodology. After having the master project, I came to know about the agile methodology and developing the front end, uh, and then I get the opportunity to directly deal with the client, which increase my presentation skills and at the real road experience, and it increased my problem solving and critical thinking, and also like in increase my skills for video editing and screen layout. Reflection, this project taught me how to work in the real world situation, how like system analyst and software developer can make up the good successful app when they work together. And in future, how online business can implement a well designed and secure Android applications that has capability to show day-to-day business process along with the analysis of ongoing business, can achieve the organization goals. Ideas to improve the course, I think there should be more communication with supervisor and tutor, so that they all the team members can do time to time review with that and get more informations uh, to get more idea from the supervisor and the tutor, and more workshops can be scheduled so that various tools for the wireframing, various tools for software developing can be known. Overall, I enjoyed the online and face-to-face both classes, as we have tutor online and then weekly workshops face-to-face. So I enjoyed both the class. I think the course is well managed and properly layout for me to follow. Thank you.